Here is a General Electric microwave here. As you can see, is this one here. Just open it up. See, it's clean. Well, it does need cleaning on the top. Light bulb does work in it. Here's the sticker right here. This is model JVM3160DF9WW. Manufactured April 2024. So this thing is already a year old. Pretty sure it was put in like several months back though. Anyways, these controllers here. This is an over the range. As you can see there, over by the stove. So it has the service light and the vent fan. So let's do the service light first. And this microwave is new, so the service light shouldn't really be out. Although that's probably what it would tell, but still. This is the low light. Turn it back off also. Here's the vent fan. You turn it off also. Show it up here. Alright. So anyways, let's go ahead and test it. Anyways, that's pretty much about it for this General Electric microwave.